Hello everyone, welcome to iFocus Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important basics of C programming, that is input and output. You will understand how to use printf to display the output and scanf to take the input from the user. This is a simple program to explain the output in C programming. So, printf statement is used to display your output. The first printf statement will display a simple message, that is hello, welcome to C programming. Whereas the second printf statement is going to display a value. Whenever we want to display any value, we have to use a format specifier. In this case, I have used %d as a format specifier to display a integer value, that is 10. So when I will run this program, I will be able to see a message, that is value of a is equal to 10. And also I have used \n to display a new line. Let's run this program and check what we are getting at the output. So yes, we have received two statements. First one is hello, welcome to C programming. It is a simple message that is displayed using printf statement. Second is value of a is equal to 10. So here we are not able to see %d. Why? It is just a format specifier used to display your values. So whenever you want to display any value, use format specifiers according to which value you want to display. Now let's understand taking the input from the user. So to take the input from the user, we use the scanf function. It also uses format specifier to know what type of data we are reading. Here, in the scanf statement, we have mentioned %d and age. So %d tells the compiler that the input will be an integer, and age means the value entered by the user is stored in the variable called as age. Remember, for scanf, we always use and before the variables, except for the arrays. So let's run this program and check. Here first we are getting a simple message, that is enter your age. I will enter an integer number, that is 25, and I will press an enter here. So we will see that there is another message that is displayed, your age equal to 25. Means instead of %d, that is format specifier, we are getting the actual value that is entered by the user. Here are the commonly used format specifier. %d is used for integer, %f for float, %c for character, and %s for strings. This is one more example in which I am explaining the input and output, and in this example I have shown how a user can take multiple inputs in a single scanf statement. Here in this program, a first printf statement displays a simple message, that is enter two numbers. The scanf statement has two numbers accepting from the user. The number that will be entered by the user will be integers. So I have mentioned the format specifier as %d and a and b. So this is nothing but that the values entered by the user will be stored in respective variables, that is a and b. Again, we have used a printf statement to display the sum of the numbers. Whatever numbers user will be entering, we are going to show the addition of those numbers. So let's quickly run this program and check how the output is. First, I am getting a message here, enter two numbers. So I will enter certain numbers here and I will press a enter. Here we are able to see that sum equal to 114. We are not able to see any format specifiers even for the scanf statements and for the printf statements, because the format specifiers are replaced whenever we are entering any number or whenever we are displaying any numbers. So that's it for today's video. You learned how to use printf for output, scanf for input, and how format specifiers work. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more C programming tutorials.